What's up? What's good, everyone? I'm here with my sister Hallie and my cousin Side Guy over there.
Hi, guys.
In this video, I will be face painting Hallie as Freddy Fazbear. And if you want to see Bonnie, Chica, Mangle, and any other FNAF characters, check out the playlist and other links in the description down below. And let's get started.
Mysteria Amory joined, and
That's a fun name.
A bunch of other people joined.
Well, welcome everyone. Yeah, she's wearing her UA uniform because we did a lot of My Hero stuff earlier. Lots of TikToks coming your way.
Lane Anthony says, "Hi, and nice outfit."
Hello, and thank you.
Whose outfit, though?
Maybe he was
I have
saying
no
both.
idea.
You know, when I ordered this, I didn't realize how teeny it was. Look at how tiny it is.
Oh
I
my
hope,
gosh.
I really hope it's enough brown because I don't have much orange left either.
Zoe Gamers says, "Hello, Chica."
Hello.
User says, "Hi."
Hi.
Hello. You have the same teeth as Bonnie. Like all the other face paint videos that I've done like this, I've got to paint the teeth on first because they're white. Could you get a little closer? How you're backing away a lot. That is so cool. I know how to sing some songs in French, but I haven't tried singing in Japanese before, other than the My Hero Academia theme song. Shizuke Saga Seikamoyure. Probably said that totally wrong, but you know, fun times.
Angie Unicorn says, "She is so cute."
Hallie is so cute. Like, oh my goodness. Freddy actually does have eyebrows, so I will be painting new ones for you.
Oh, wow.
Because these eyebrows are not my eyebrows. Alright, Hallie, can you turn your head over? There. Yep. Use your echolocation.
Angie Unicorn says, "How old is she?"
How old is Hallie?
Yeah, I think so.
You're 10, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's 10. She's 10.
Sparkle Bow says, "Hee hee."
What?
Wither Bonnie says, "Is that your little sister?"
It is my little sister.
Yes, sirree, and she's my cousin. A Cool Cat says hi. And
Hi.
Fire says, "A bunch of hearts and love."
Oh, thank
This is
you.
a bunch of parts. Can I just look?
Oh yeah, you could have been looking that whole time. I'm so sorry.
Withered Bonnie says, "FNAF and MHA, LOL."
Yes, that's because Hallie hasn't gotten in her costume yet, but that's alright.
Nadia
Vasquez?
Vasquez, "I'm supposed to go to sleep right now because I don't care."
Well, I appreciate you joining the party, but sleep is important.
Animals are cute says, "Okay, wanna be Mango?"
Oh, I am actually going to face paint myself as Mangle for Halloween, as one of my many Halloween characters I'm going to become.
And Kane, Blood Dragon Ranger, Emma,
Oh, that is such a cool name.
Emma has joined. And then Fire gives a bunch of blue hearts.
Blue hearts are my favorite.
Animals are cute says, "Scream!"
Oh, Hallie, you need eyebrows.
And I am, yeah. Fire says, "Ree!" with a bunch of blue hearts.
And then you'll just have to get your costume and wig on.
Thank you,
Isn't
Nadia.
Bonnie doing a great job reading off the comments, guys? Wait, look at what animals are cute said.
She says, "Ree!"
I think people are just commenting that to hear you
I
say
know. Wither Bonnie says, "Yeet something in your room."
yeet. Oh, this is pretty safe for me to yeet. It's a Shopkin.
Just yeet that Shopkin.
I'm gonna yeet it. Are you guys
Yeet
ready
it
for the
hard.
yeet?
Yeet it!
Yeet it!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
She yeeted it like a
glory.
man.
I did it.
And then Ranger says, "Ree!"
Oh my gosh, there's so many
Yeah.
rees. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I'm too much in love with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that animatronic like button.
Oh yeah.
And subscribe for more videos
Subscribe.
like you do. And I
Yeah.
will see you guys next time.
Bye.